I'll call that. I'll call that.
Daddy,
What
Dad!
do you want to say to Daddy? What do you want to say to Daddy?
I'll
I'll call Daddy. Ito na.
Dad? Daddy?
Miss na si John.
Hello, Daddy. Hello, Dad. Jasa's here in Deca.
Dad.
Yeah.
What do you want from Daddy? What do you want?
Crying.
What big
Because
TV?
Jasa wants to go to the big TV. Can Jasa go to the big TV
Ano
today?
na?
Dad?
Padala na siyang money.
Dad.
Okay, Dad. Okay. You gonna send the money? Jasa will receive it in Hotel Uma and then go tomorrow. Watch siya tomorrow because still don't have money. Ano, Dad? Okay, Dad. Sige. I'll tell Jasa to wait until tomorrow because today we don't have money.
Wow.
Okay. You want to talk to Jasa?
Talk to Jasa.
Jasa, because Jasa wants to go to the big TV, Dad. Tomorrow, ano, Dad? Okay, talk to Jasa. Baba, because Dad is going to send you. Talk to Dad na.
Pagbigyan mo na lang, tara, mag-sini lang mo. Ako na lang mabakal sa SM kita.
Talk to Dad na.
Dahil naman kaya, okay na po. You want big TV? Basta be good ka, hindi ka magparapasali. Okay po? Okay? I'll say yes. Okay pa?
Yes,
Baba.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, sorry na. Sorry na. Don't cry anymore. Ate, isa kang payak.
Yes, Baba. Tama, ate.
Baby, comfort mo na siya.
Yummy?
Okay. What will you watch, Baba? What do you wanna watch? Lebi, ask mo si Jasa.
What do you want to watch, Baba? What are we going to watch? Huh? What are we going to watch, Baba? Don't do that. It's gonna hurt your head, Baba. Pain ka dyan sa head mo.
Dad?
Ask Jasa kung anong gusto mo.
What do you want to do? Big TV. What movie? What movie? Huh?
Nami to.
Eat yummy popcorn.
Eat yummy popcorn. Okay.
Ano? Let's go na?
Ay, hain pala si bottle mo, Baba. Water bottle mo. Check it in her bag, Jalebi, if it's there.
No.
Kasi we're going to put water.
Can I check your bag, Baba?
Si ano nag-check si water niya? In her bag. Sige. Check it na.
Let's go?
Let's go na. Say goodbye na, Auntie Nini, and then can go. You came here, you're not in good mood naman. Wawa man talaga. Bye-bye. Say I love you, ate.
I love you, Jasa.
Kenzo, say I love you, ate Jasa.
I love you.
Sabi mo, I love you.
Because you hurt yourself.
Kenzo.
You hurt yourself, babe.
Ate Jasa, ano yan?
You're
Headache.
gonna hurt yourself, Baba.
Ay.
You're gonna hurt yourself, Baba.
Ow.
Kenzo, say I love you, ate Jasa. Bye.
Ow.
Sabi ko sa Kenzo, I love you.
Sorry, Jasa.
No.
Do not smack yourself. Do not smack your hair, Baba.